Experiencing glitches with your 2023 Chevy's infotainment system? This guide covers the key reset methods, reboot and factory reset. A reboot clears temporary memory for quick fixes like lag. Hold the touchscreen power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. A factory reset restores the system to original settings, wiping apps and paired devices. Access via Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Data Reset, using the default PIN 0000. Remember to back up your data beforehand using Chevrolet's Cloud Sync to avoid data loss before performing any reset. If a reset doesn't solve the problem, start with basic troubleshooting. Check USB connections, especially for Android Auto issues, and ensure your system is updated via Settings, Software Updates. For more complex issues, use the My Chevrolet app for diagnostics, which can scan for error codes. Looking ahead, expect more AI-driven features like voice-activated resets, Hey Chevy, and proactive glitch detection. Over-the-air updates are becoming more frequent, with Chevrolet aiming for bi-weekly patches to improve stability and security. Always perform resets while parked for safety, as they can temporarily disable navigation.